Hi friends, hope everyone is safe and doing fine. Today I would like to demonstrate our new invention ViroPro Air Filter, which will convert your existing car AC unit into a air purifier and sanitization unit. Let's first check out how an car AC works. Let's understand how does a car AC work. It sucks the air from these vents present on top of the dashboard and throws the air from the air blower. Let's unwrap the ViroPro air filter. After unwrapping, you will find two pieces of ViroPro air filter attached with double-sided tape on one side. To install, you just have to remove the release tape and stick it over the vents present on top of the dashboard like this. You can cut the excess ViroPro air filter as per your requirement. It should cover the vent completely. Similarly, you have to do with the other side as well. I have installed the ViroPro air filter on both sides of the vents. The double-sided tape used in the ViroPro air filter is a reusable tape and it will not leave any residue or damage your dashboard. Now let's check its efficiency. The current AQI air quality index in Defense Colony at 12:25 PM on 2nd February is 384, which is very poor. I would start the car and switch the AC on fan mode. Let's see how the ViroPro filter works. Firstly, switch on the car on the fan mode and please note that the recirculate button is engaged. This will ensure that the air would recirculate inside the car. Now you can see as the air is recirculating, the ViroPro air filters are cleaning the air and the AQI level is coming down. In just few minutes, you will see that the AQI will drop down drastically. The filter has started working, and let's talk about the features of the filter. The filter has two aspects, filtration and sanitization. Now let's talk about the filtration aspect. Most of the big and expensive brands in the market clean PM 2.5 with efficiency of 96%, but our medical grade filter can filter PM 0.1 with 94 efficiency. It can filter bacteria at 99% efficiency and viruses at 99.856% efficiency. This is a medical grade filter which is way superior to what is available in the market. As you can see, the the AQI is come down to 230 in just over a minute. To take care of sanitization, the most important aspect during COVID-19 pandemic, we have injected the antiviral Swiss technology in the filter, which is effective against viruses, bacteria. This Swiss technology has two aspects, silver and vesicle. The active silver on the filter kills bacteria and behaves like an anchor for the viruses. Vesicle technology depletes the virus's membrane and eliminates it in few minutes. It's been just over 2 minutes, and we can see that the AQI has dropped down to 170. ViroPro filter will give you a medical clean room effect in just few minutes. As you can see yourself, from very poor, the AQI's level reached to good in just 3 minutes. In just around 5 minutes, the AQ has dropped from around 400 to 20 units. The same filter is also available for your room ACs, which will convert your room AC into an air purifying and sanitization unit.